Medyo mahina. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! To you. One more time, medyo mabilis at may kasamang palakpak with energy. Happy birthday to you. Day to you. Mga adults po. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tagalog, maligayang bati. Alright, so Bryce, before you blow your birthday candle, close your eyes and sleep well. Hindi pala. Close your eyes and make a wish. Wish ka? Ay, makatulog niya yata si Bryce. Wait! Bibilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, okay? So, wait lang. One more, Bryce. So, everybody will count 1, 2, 3, and then i-blow na ni Bryce ang kanyang birthday candle. And 1, 2, 3, blow the candle! Yay! Palakpakan naman natin si Bryce. And thank you so much sa lahat ng kids natin. So, pwede na po tayong mag-see po.
Happy birthday, Bryce. Sana lumaki kang mabait, matalino, may takot sa Diyos, at mahal na mahal ka namin ni Mama at Papa, Tito, Lolo, Lola, and Tita. Love you.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin. And siyempre si Mami naman po.
Happy birthday, Bryce. Wishing you all the best in life. Enjoy everything that you do, especially when you're at school. And I hope all our dreams do come true for your great future with all of us. I hope you enjoyed your party also. Do you enjoy? Are you happy? Okay. And I wish you all the goodness in life, good health, long life, and especially the happiest day each day of the moment of your life. I love you and we love you. God bless you always.
Palakpakan naman natin. And siyempre si Kuya Bren. Go, Kuya Bren.
Happy birthday, Bryce. I wish you the best. Me, Papa, and Mama loves you. And we hope all your dreams will come true. I love you, Bryce.
Okay na? Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin sila lahat.